Hello, my name is Sarah Dia and I am the project and team leader of the Water Innovation Lab program in Tanzania, brought by Waterlution Canada. Under the Resilient Natural Resource Management for Tourism and Growth project, the REGROW program, and in collaboration with Tanzania National Park, we are implementing the capacity building training for the water innovative solutions to enhance natural resource resilience and human-wildlife coexistence. This is actually our second program in Tanzania, and it's taking place around villages surrounding the Mikumi National Park. The project aims to accelerate innovative solutions that could enhance the climate resilience with a focus on water resource management by capacitating and empowering the communities, building their resilience and fostering their local ownership where they come up with their own solutions related to their daily water challenges. We started our program with a scoping phase, allowing us to look into the unique challenges and as well opportunities within these villages, focusing on enhancing the resilience of both the communities as well as the wildlife against the impact of climate change, notably flooding and droughts. Armed with this knowledge, now we move to the second phase of capacity building that took place in two parts. We had 3 days training designed for the local government authorities, who we call them the influencer, who came from Kilosa and Mvomero district. And they came also from different departments, irrigation, environmental officers, some are from the game officers. And then also we joined them with Wamiruvu Basin representative, TMA, the Meteorological Authority, and then also the forestry. The objective of bringing them from different backgrounds is to enhance their understanding and also foster the connection between these different sectors. Day one of the training for the influencers was designed for them to understand the project objective. What we want to focus on during our program is things that they are accessible, easy to implement, scalable, simple to the community, but very impactful as well. The challenge themes.
Sisi sote tunashirikiana kufikiria namna gani nzuri tutauendea mradi wetu.
The system thinking as it applies to the project, especially the empathy part.
Think, what do they think and feel? See and hear, say and do, and what are their gains and pains?
And then that was followed by an SDG session. As well as activities around group formation, leadership skills, cultural sensitivity, and community engagement. We continued our journey visiting farmers and learning from their traditional knowledge and tool in chasing wildlife invasion. This was followed by a visit to village elder, who's also a livestock keeper, and we listened to his perspective of the challenges related to the water availability and wildlife predation. The influencers training ended with the third day being around the ideation process. Now, how can we form solutions? How might we find ideas that matches the needs of the communities? this week, we now were prepared to be joined by the community that will lead these innovations. We call them the community champions. We had a diverse group of farmers, livestock keepers, wildlife guards, as well as representation from elders, youth, and of course, women. We encouraged all of them to join us from 4 villages: Mkata, Maharaka, Kilangali, and Tindiga.
Namba 1 wameandika ni mchanganyiko usawa wa kijinsia. Namba 2 ni makubaliano. Namba 3 ni mawasiliano. Namba 4 ni ushirikiano. Namba 5 ni kupenda.
So it will be a process, a step by step that we will guide you through, and then we will be transforming from the problem to possible solutions, taking into consideration your voice and your input. You are going to be leading these innovations, leading these ideas. It has to come from you. The first day with the community champions started with leadership skills, team formation, collaboration, and the importance of empowering them to lead the process and own their solution. This was followed by SDGs, system thinking, and the design thinking process that they will use together with the influencer to come up with the solutions. The second day was the first day of both our influencers and community champions to meet and start their innovation journey. We gave them the same t-shirts and hats to unite them on the goal of the program. Now, we grouped them in 4 themes to discuss the challenges around first agriculture, then water safety and quantity, livestock keeping, and wildlife. However, this time they have the chance to discuss this collectively from different villages and livelihood perspectives. The third day, we had the transformation process to the potential solutions. By creating this idea marketplace where they had to sell their ideas and defend it in order to get team members signing up to their groups. So now there are more teams around ideas.
We feel the rain is coming over. And build our hope.
Kwa sababu mto sisi kwa refu ya kwetu mto mpaka mita 60. Yaani maji ndio muhimu, maji ndio kila kitu.
Set us free. I know we're worn down to our bones. This is our prayer, this is our oath. We feel the spark in us.
The fourth day is where we move to the prototype step. We ask the villagers to bring their tools to showcase the traditional methods. They move to prototyping their own ideas, adding visuals to their story. Now we arrive to the end of this journey. The final day was the moment this team came together to pitch in front of representatives from board executive officers, village leaders, village executive officers, as well as Mikumi management.
Boresha tena na kadogo na busu mwa.
Niwashukuru wenzetu wa mradi huu kwa kuliona hili na kuweza kutupatia mafunzo haya.
And they proudly did it. We had 6 potential ideas revolving around resolving tension between pastoralists and farmers by addressing the water needs, and then also the potential of creating opportunities from livestock feed.
Suluhisho litafanyaje kazi ndani ya muda wa miezi mitatu ni kuhifadhi maji ya mvua kwenye matenki na malambo yatakayotumika wakati wa upungufu wa maji.
Kwa hiyo tembo akija hapo katikati lazima akiguse hii kamba, nyuki wanatoka wanaenda kumshambulia.
Itakuwa vizuri kwa wakulima. Kwa hiyo hili ni korongo, hapa tunaweza tukatengeneza lambo kwa niaba ya kilimo cha umwagiliaji.
Katika vijiji vya Kiangai, Tindiga, Mkata na Maharaka. Yaani hiki tutakachofanya Tindiga ndicho tutafanya Maharaka, ndicho tutafanya Kiangai, ndicho tutafanya
maji. Kuna migogoro mingi sana kati ya wakulima na wakulima, wafugaji na wakulima.
Mnavyoiona iko katikati hapo ikionyesha kuwa imezunguka iko vijiji.
We finished the day with handing out certificates and amazing traditional tribal dance. We are looking forward for the implementation phase with this amazing group of communities. They are now our strong social network, leading a sustainable impact on natural resources and climate resilience.
Wow.